In order to assure quality in scientific work, it is required to go beyond divisions and to put all focus on interdisciplinarity.
Nutrition is a whole chain, including, of course, the food production chain, but also the health impact. Several research groups from different faculties and different institutes are focusing their efforts on the quality of the food items. And this includes the development of new and more appropriate food production means. This also involves the identification of new food varieties with a particular health or technological interest. And finally, it is also of utmost importance to develop food quality control procedures and processes to offer to the food chain the possibility to control the whole process and to offer the consumer products of the highest quality. We need to bring together people with different competencies to tackle this question of what is a healthy diet.
The expertise of its scientists in the field of nutrition has made UCL a long-standing and significant contributor to the introduction of nutritional regulations and to the economic dynamism of the agri-food sector. Research into nutrition and health at UCL is notably multidisciplinary in character, reflecting the diversity of experimental approaches and skills of the members of the three research sectors: human sciences, technological sciences, and health sciences. Exploratory, applied, and clinical research dealing with crucial problems of nutrition and health covers two main fields: nutrients and other components of food, and biotechnologies. The consortium Louvain4Nutrition is unusual in bringing together a critical mass of scientists working in nutrition and health, and deploys a broad array of extremely varied and hence complementary specialist skills in order to study at a profound level the complex and multifaceted issues of nutrition and health. Working across the traditional disciplinary boundaries creates the natural conditions in which the new ambitions and innovative ideas can emerge in response to the nutritional challenges of today and tomorrow. The subjects studied at Louvain4Nutrition include functional foods, nutritional analysis, bioactive compounds, physical activity and muscle physiology, eating behavior, consumer legislation and rights, food history, sensory analysis, nutritional toxicology, food microbiology, food allergies, malnutrition, the physiopathology of obesity, therapeutic targets for food.
It is very important to have now fundamental research in nutrition in order to find new targets to the management and the prevention of diseases such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular pathologies, but also undernutrition and cancer.
Among these different disciplines, I represent the social sciences, and within the social sciences, our research focuses at the individual, at the group, and at the society level. And this research, of course, are also in close relationship with the other fields. For instance, we have some research with the medical sciences in which we are looking at the psychosocial aspect of inflammatory processes, which is a key issue in obesity.
In our lab, we are working on nutrients that modulate the gut microbiota, meaning the hundreds of billions of bacteria present in our gut, to try to modify the metabolism and the physiology.
So we have been doing research on the cognitive and the emotional factors that are involved in obesity, and together these emotional and cognitive factors can actually slow down the behavioral changes in order to use more healthy food.
We have to translate this basic research into clinical actions and into concrete actions in nutrition for the general public.
And at the more global level, also taking into account the interactions between agricultural policies, the food chains, and health-related issues.
This really requires interdisciplinary networks like the Louvain4Nutrition initiative in order to promote the contact between people who normally do not work in the same field to face very important questions related to health.
Ce qui est important pour nous, c'est de faire de larges avis où tous les aspects sont couverts. Et pour cela, nous sommes particulièrement attentifs à la création des groupes de travail, à la composition de ces groupes de travail, où nous recherchons vraiment l'interdisciplinarité. Donc l'interdisciplinarité, pour nous, est une garantie de qualité. Et donc nous sommes très attentifs à pêcher des experts, non seulement scientifiques, purs et durs, mais aussi des personnes qui exercent ces fonctions, des scientifiques comme des chimistes ou des biologistes, à des technologues ou à des médecins ou des pharmaciens ou d'autres professionnels de la santé. Et donc c'est uniquement par la composition de ces groupes de travail que nous parvenons à avoir une très large portée pour nos avis. Et donc l'interdisciplinarité, plus que jamais, est une valeur très importante pour le succès de toute entreprise en santé.